Remember, it had a super long rip to the downside here. So this is kind of, if you think of it like drinking, they
Hmm.
went on a real bender here, okay? Right
Yeah.
now, they're pretty hungover and they don't really, they're wandering around the street looking for someone that sells a Coca-Cola or cigarettes.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started. Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, May 22nd, 2025. And you're listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, President Trump's sweeping tax and spending bill, which would extend 2017 tax cuts, introduce new tax breaks, cut green energy incentives, and tighten eligibility for Medicaid and food assistance, advance to a full House vote after clearing the Rules Committee amid deep Republican divisions. With only a slim GOP majority and unified Democratic opposition, passage remains uncertain. The bill is projected to add $3.8 trillion to the national debt over the next decade. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave next. Thanks for listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you like the show.
Starting with the currency pairs. First one up, Aussie US dollar. Let's go down to the HUD. So the last alert was 50 bars ago, and that was a short. So that would be this guy right here. And that happened at about 4 a.m. this morning. The trend is still bearish right now, but it is weakening. And the RSI is right at the midpoint. As you can see, we have hit an oversold position a couple of times here. It pulled back a little bit. Then it came back down here. This level of support formed. So it's bouncing up from there, and there's another level of resistance right here, this green one. So it's bouncing between those two levels. I don't know what to tell you which way it's going to go right now. A short-term forward-looking prediction is bullish by the artificial intelligence machine learning model. So that's where we're at right there. I'm not going to do anything with that guy at
Yeah,
the
we got a
moment.
bunch of PMI numbers coming out, which it'll definitely move up.
Euro pound. I am in this trade. This is my scalpy trade. This usually works the first time, and as you can see, the first time was way back here. So I think
Hmm.
I'm okay. And if it really gets ugly on me, I will probably waterfall this puppy to get out at even or a slight profit. Just looking to get 5 pips out of this. Current trend is down. Last alert was 78 bars ago, so that was back here at 1:45 in the morning. It's been going down all night long, so I'm waiting for it to bounce back a little bit. Thought it was going to bounce back sooner, but I guess
Yeah.
you guess, and you do as much as you can. The trend is very strong right now. It's bearish. AI is also forward-looking bearish. We're almost oversold here. We're within 8 pips of being oversold. So I'm still pretty optimistic about this trade working out, but we shall see.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and become part of the Trade Faction today.
Last but not least, US Canadian dollar. The last Trade alert was 11 bars ago. That was a long trade. That one was actually relatively current. That happened at 7:15 this morning, but the trend is currently bullish. It's a weak trend. We're right in the middle on the RSI, and the AI is also looking bullish. As you can see, this isn't much of anything here. We've had a few pops to the upside, and then they peter out. There is overhead resistance right here that this keeps crashing into, and then you got some more up in this area right here. So that's what it's pretty much doing. It's popping up into resistance and popping
Yeah,
down.
it's just
So this is very non-committal, which kind of makes sense. There's a lot of stuff going on with the legislation for the big, beautiful bill and some other things, and I think everybody's waiting to see where that's going to go. Bottom line is everybody's trying to figure out how to make money.
yeah.
Not
I'm looking at this. I'm going. It reminds me of this old video game called Breakout. It keeps hitting off the resistance got down here.
Remember, it had a super long rip to the downside here. So this is kind of, if you think of it like drinking, they went on a real bender here, okay? Right
Yeah.
now they're pretty hungover and they don't really, they're wandering around the street looking for someone that sells a Coca-Cola or cigarettes. All right, that's all I got, Chief.
All righty. Have a good day. Happy trading.
Later.
Bye.